All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. This here is the junk that I got Christmas Eve that you seen me haul out of the trunk of the car in the dark. We got a toaster oven, we got a license plate, we got 2 lamps, we got this Shark Superior Carpet Bare Floor Cleaning Unit, we got a deep fryer, it's a Power XL, man. We got a blender, we got 2 more lamps. Now I was thinking about just doing a time lapse on how long it takes me to tear this all down, but the more I thought about it, I'm thinking I'm gonna take these apart individually and make videos out of some of them, and then maybe we'll time lapse the rest of it. So what should we start with? The blender? Let's try the blender first. And we got a clean bench, which is my New Year's resolution if you don't remember. So first thing we got is a cord, and I'm gonna keep track of how much there is in all of this stuff. So yeah, see if we can liberate those brass prongs there. There we go, 1. 2, got almost all the copper on it. Got the old cord here. How much do we think that cord weighs? That cord weighs almost an ounce. Almost an ounce. So how's this baby gonna come apart? Let's get a drill for here. This was in a pile of cat litter in the dumpster. I think this bit is shot. I think that bit is about had it. Let's see if we can find a new bit for it. What's the best number for doing these kind of things? Must be this number 2 because they gave us all kinds of those. All right, here we are, back at it. So now are there going to be some screws underneath these those little foot pegs? Negative. No screws under there. Oh, we got them here and here. Hopefully I can get at them. Obviously, not with that. Oh my God, we got we got cat litter inside this baby. No wonder they threw it away. No, it was laying in a big pile of cat litter in the dumpster. So we got some more wire from the end of that cord. See if we can get that cut out of there as far down as we can. So we got that. Now we're 1 ounce. 1 ounce of cord and some junk plastic. Got a little tiny circuit board here. Okay, I'm not sure what that was all about, but the GoPro decided to shut right off. Let's dump this. Oh yeah. And that. Where's my little dustpan here? Because, you know, we got to keep the bench clean. It's the New Year's resolution.
Yeah. Put stuff back, Dennis.
All right. I'm thinking it's this size, this little thing right there. Yep. Is it going to be worth getting this motor out of here or not? It gets stuck underneath the stator of the motor. Huh, we got another one right there. Might have to bend this fan to get at them. You see, that won't do it. We gotta bend those. Well, it's not liking to want to come pulling right off of there, is it? We got something going on with this thing here in the bottom. How's that gonna come off? Or I should say the top. Watch your eyes. There we go. Little tiny piece of shred, I guess. Yeah, more junk other than that little board here. How much micro scrapping do you want to do, you know? Too bad those weren't all brass, huh? There's a lot of them in there. All right, I guess that's junk. Do a little housekeeping here. Okay, so we got that motor off of there. Now, the question is how does it come all apart? It's got brushes in it. Is that what's holding it, the brushes? It might be. Are those copper? Doesn't feel like it. Not aluminum. Shuns of a gun, huh? Well, wonder if we take this crazy nut off here. Is that going to be right-handed or left-handed threads? Ooh, that's sharp. Let's put the old gloves on. This blender doesn't seem to be as valuable as the one that Scrap-It JC took apart. There we go. And it's not left-handed. There's that. Little metal fan. Well, I should save that. I should save that out. Okay, now that came off. You got these brushes in here. How do we pull them out of there? Usually they just come right out of there, but I think we got to get this out of the way first. There we go, a little more brass. I wonder if that's a copper spring. No, it sticks. All right. So another little piece of brass. Another steel spring. Is anything on here aluminum or worth going after? Negative, that's all steel. All right, the stator motor is unfortunately aluminum, but we got a little bit of wire. Should we take that out of there? I think it'll come right out. We could put it into our aluminum then. As long as we're this far, we might as well take it out, huh? Youch, she bites. Let's use this. All right, come on, be nice. Yeah. I mean, obviously you're not going to be wanting to do this if you're doing it for a living. That wouldn't be a wise usage of your time if you're doing this for a living. But if you're just an old guy like me and you're dicking around in the garage, it can be fun, especially if you like using tools. Most of us that are scrappers like using tools, right? If we didn't, we probably wouldn't be scrapping. So we got snow here last night, which was kind of different because we hadn't had much since Halloween. So yeah, they've been out plowing. If you hear the plow go by, you know what it is, but they've already been by, so I don't think they'll be coming back. All right, let's add this up. Or I should say, let's add that to the pile. There we go. More steel. Now this thing here is kind of, I wonder if that's going to be copper. So it could go in our copper bearing motors or whatever. Here's the old file. Boy, it's hard to tell. It doesn't really glisten like the aluminum stuff does. I'm gonna say that that's copper. Maybe not. Maybe not. No, I'm thinking that that's aluminum too. So we'll put that with the shred. How's that? So let's add this stuff up. All right, scrappers, we got the numbers on the blender. It doesn't look like there's a future for you in yachts in the Caribbean, tearing apart blenders. So, all right, here we go. We got the cord, 1 ounce at 90 cents a pound. I think the last time I sold cords, that's what the price was. We got 0.056 cents, so almost 6 cents. The wire, which was this wire, yeah, 1/4 ounce at $1.70 a pound was 0.026 cents. Steel was 1 pound 10 ounces at 9 cents a pound, and we got 14.6 cents on that. Aluminum wire was 1 ounce at 40 cents a pound, is 0.025, so 2.5 cents there. And the brass plug ends and stuff at $2 a pound was 0.031, for a grand whopping total of 28.4 cents. Yeah, I don't see a yacht in my future taking apart blenders, but as they say, it all adds up. So if you stuck with me this far, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and watch one of the cool videos on screen right now.